Welcome to InfoComm 2025. I'm Jay Taylor with ScreenBeam, and we're showing off some of the cool technologies that we've been working on over the past year to bring to our education and enterprise customers. One of those sets of tools is our Essential tool set, and what we've been getting a lot of requests for is the ability to be able to freeze the screen during a wireless display session and ink and annotate over that. And so we've got some content playing here right now. I'm going to select my receiver and get connected to it. And as you can see, the connection happens really quickly and easily. And there my content is being shared. And so now I've got content going, and we got, again, a little bit of a rough internet connection here. But I've got my content going on here. And one of the requests, as I said, is that customers have wanted the ability to be able to freeze the screen and then ink and annotate over it. So an example scenario would be, for example, a math teacher, for example, that might have a math problem up on the board, and they want to be able to freeze that. So we got a little tool that pops out here that allows me to freeze the screen, and now my laptop is free to be able to use for other stuff. So I can go in, I can have that math problem up on the screen, giving the students some time to work on that problem. Meanwhile, I go and finish that problem on my teacher device. And so while this problem's up here, I can ink and annotate, I can launch some inking tools, and I can, for example, go into a highlighter, and we'll say, okay, here's the ScreenBeam 1100 Plus overview. I can start to ink and annotate different pieces of the screen and do all of those sorts of things. So we got a handful of inking and annotation tools that allow me to be able to mark up what I've just frozen on the screen. And then when I unfreeze it, I can come back to the live presentation right on my laptop. So wherever that at. So if I had that math problem up on the screen and worked it all out on my device, that's what would then show up here as part of the freeze and annotate tools.